Hey guys! Today I'm going to be making slime with my sister Grace. And yeah, so what you're going to need to make slime is some glue, some food coloring, some shaving cream, and some activator, whatever activator you use. We're gonna use saline solution, but you guys can use borax or Tide. So first thing you're gonna do is put in your glue, which we already did. So now we're gonna add the shaving foam. So how much? However much fluff you want. That should be good. And it foams.
So if you don't add that, it's just regular slime?
Yeah. So stir that up. You can add a little bit more if it's not as fluffy as you want it. So it looks like kind of like whipped cream. There's mine. It's focusing. No! We should make a thumbnail.
What's that?
Thumbnail. So you pause for a minute and the camera takes pictures.
Oh.
Okay, so what should we do?
You can do that on here.
Yeah. Okay. What should we do?
Like editing it?
Yeah, we should.
Okay. So it'll pause after you edit it?
Yeah. Like when I add music, which I'm not going to do because we have music. Okay, so you think that's good? Now we're going to add the food coloring. Oh, and by the way,
So can I make mine a good color?
yeah, I'm going to add mine like actually like a green. Or a red. If I can get this out.
Oh.
Okay, well, yeah. And gloves are optional because
How many?
Okay. And at the end, we're gonna name them. I just said pretty because I want mine to be a pink.
I did mine 5. What's it about one?
Just push it. I think I have an idea. What
Ooh.
mine's gonna be. This is what mine looks like. Okay, now once it's all stirred
If
in,
I add another color, what will it do?
it will mix. And okay.
What mixes with glue?
What?
What mixes with glue?
Oh. Oopsie, guys. Sorry, guys. About that, can you help me? It's falling.
This is this one.
Okay, we're good. Camera. Okay, so now you're gonna add I'm gonna add this part, okay? Because you need to add the littlest pinch.
So hardly anything?
No, I put something in there. But if you add,
What does that do?
it helps it activate. If not, it's gonna be, if you don't add that, it's gonna be really flowy. So yeah, that's what you need to add.
Yeah, this is really big.
You need to add actually a little bit more. Then I'm gonna put this way. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding my activator. see how it's already starting to get like thicker? See?
Mm-hmm. Dang.
It already is starting. Oh, and she's never made slime before, by the way.
Yeah. Jeez, that's strong.
What?
Smell.
What?
I want mine to be really dark. Why won't it get darker?
You can smell it.
I can smell something.
I don't smell anything. I'm a stuffy. I have a stuffy nose. I don't feel good today. I didn't feel good last night either. See? Look how slimy it's getting already. It's still sticky though, so I need to add some more.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some now. How much?
Yeah.
And you use that because you can't use borax?
Yeah. Well, Mommy doesn't want me to use borax. I mean, people do use borax but it's not, because you can get sick from it. It can like soak into your hands, and borax is basically like a laundry detergent, and that's probably not good for you. One of Mommy's friends' kids make slime, and they got sick because of borax. They had to go to the hospital. So Mom didn't want me to use it anymore.
Yeah.
But this is a very, very, very safer decision.
So, will this eventually get off?
Of the sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, once you activate it. You need to stir it quick. You see?
Stirring it quick.
See how it's getting?
Oh.
But you can add as much as you want until it gets like this. I like to wear gloves when I make it because then it doesn't like get on me. When I make it. Here is mine so far, guys.
I'm gonna. This happens really fast. I thought this took like a while.
No. That's why it only always takes me like 2 minutes to make that.
Yeah.
Because when I'm not doing it on camera or doing it by myself on camera, then I just like
It looks like frosting. I wonder how whipped cream would react if you put food coloring in it.
me too. We should do that. An experiment. Usually Kenzie would make a video with me, but I didn't really ask her to hang out with me today because I don't feel good.
I don't know if mine's right.
You need to just add more of that. I just added a lot the first time, so that's why it activated really fast. My gloves don't fit me. Oh my gosh, look how stretchy it is.
Wow, that happened really fast.
I'm gonna be calling this hot pink birthday cake.
So it's the glue that makes it stick, right?
Yeah. So this is gonna be called hot pink birthday cake, guys. Hot pink
And
birthday
this is gonna be called
Hey, it's like girl boy.
baby shower for a boy.
She's not very good on this.
Actually, they could be together and they could be a baby shower because they have if it's a gender reveal, then there's both.
True. That'd be so.
That'd be really cool if you did it with slime.
Yeah. Like if Cole and Sav have another baby, they should mix slime. And then be like, okay guys, I'm about to open this box and whatever color slime it is, blue or pink, is the baby that I'm having. I want Cole and Sav to have another baby.
Yeah. But Cole doesn't want to.
shout out to Cole and Sav, right? Go.
Is yours stretchy?
Mm,
Oh.
you gotta stretch it slow.
Mm.
Like, if not, then you overactivated it.
I think I did overactivate it.
Which one do you want to be our thumbnail? The eating one or that stretching one?
Eating.
Eating.
But I cleaned up my gloves really fast.
True. Alright guys, so I hope you liked watching me and my sister make slime. And yeah, comment down below if you want more of these videos with my sister and more slime videos, and give me some video ideas because I only have two videos on my channel, so I need some video. Well, now it's gonna be 3 once you guys see this one. And yeah, so bye guys. Bye.